Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, the origin and the evolution of the earth. This is an important chapter as well as this is a very much new topic for you all. By the name only, you can understand that in this chapter we are going to read about the origin of the earth and as well as the evolution of the earth, and or not only the earth and the other planets and the solar system also. Now basically there are different theories are present in the world about the origin of the earth. Nobody has able to give the exact cause or the exact theory or exact time of the origin of the earth so far. All the theories having some good points as well as all the theories having some debatable issues also. So it is a still debatable question, but one thing is clear that earth is a member of the solar family. So the origin of the earth it cannot be different from the origin of the other planets. Different scholars have expressed the view on the subject, but most of the scholars believe that like earth and other planets originate from the sun. Now according to these thoughts only we are divided the theory into two parts. We are telling that the theories, some theories are there which are the early theories, some theories are there which are the modern theories. A large number of the hypotheses were put forward by the different philosophers and the scientists regarding the theories of the earth in the early days, and this theories is only known as the early theories. Now in this early theories there are two types are present. One is the unistar theory, another one is the bistar or the binary theory. Now what is this unistar theory? Unistar theory means in this unistar theory we are saying that only from a particular object or only from one object the earth and other planets and solar system created. Unistar hypothesis is presented by the nebula only, and binary hypothesis is presented by two objects. In binary hypothesis, the scientist told that there is always a existing sun and a passing star is there. That's why the name come binary or names come. It is a bistar hypothesis. And Unistar they said that from a single matter, the Earth and other planet and the solar system formed. Now, what is this nebula? Now, nebula is a giant cloud. It is a cloud that is made up of the dust and the gas in the space. Some nebulae means it is a plural form or it is more than one nebula, come from the gas and the dust thrown by the explosion of the dying star. So in the unistar theory, it is said that it is started from the nebula. You can see a picture of the nebula. You will find so many pictures in the Google for nebula only. And in case of other theory, these all are the early theories. And the present theory that is modern theory. Now see the different theories we will read in this chapter. One unistar theory, that is a nebula hypothesis. One binary theory, that is called as a collision hypothesis or tidal hypothesis. And modern theory, that is a big bang theory. From the next day we are going to discuss in details about all these theories.